I'll count the cracks in the ceiling to give myself something to do. Doubt that I'll ever be able to. I'll curl up and maybe go to sleep, but when the alarm sounds I look around. I won't run, I've been here before. I'll let that fire come burn down my door. My hands are shaking, body is aching, but I know that it will go soon. When the fire hits my room, hours passed and they felt like minutes. I wonder if it was that easy to just miss it. I won't question it no more. When the fire hits my door, I won't run, I've been here before. I'll let that fire come burn down my door. My hands are shaking, body is aching, but I know that it will go soon. When the fire hits my room, I won't fight it, I won't fight it, I won't fight it no more. I won't fight it, I won't fight it, I won't fight it no more. I won't fight it, I won't fight it, I won't fight it no more.